Hey folks, got a Jeep JK here, 2008, but it doesn't matter. It'll work on all the year's JKs and a bunch of other stuff. This right here, this 9 drive right here, it's like a copy of the pedal commander. Super easy to install. Where your accelerator cable is, you just, there's a pigtail that goes right in there. And then this here wire, it's got a lightning plug on one end. Plug it in that. You can change all your settings for your throttle right there. Now, a lot of people get this confused and they think this, reprograms their computer and their engine and gives you all kinds of more horsepower. It's not the case. All it does is in certain vehicles and the JK, um, especially this 3.8 right here, it really suffers from pedal lag. These new drive-by-wire vehicles that don't have an actual physical accelerator cable. So, the butterfly on the throttle body, is controlled by the pedal, you know, wires. There's no, physical connection. It's just wiring and, electronics that do it. And it's just really, really laggy. I thought this was a gimmick for like 60 bucks, whatever it is. Heck no, it's not. That's the setting I have it set on. I have it set on a low setting. That's performance 2. And I think it goes all the way up to 9. I only have it on number 2 setting, 2.2. And it has totally woken this Jeep up. It feels like it should have felt from the factory. I don't dare turn it up anymore. I think that's perfect. And like the lagginess is out. You give it gas, it's there, right there. Bam. Feels like a new vehicle. So these things work. That's what I'm telling you. They're not giving you more horsepower and more torque and none of that. It's just opening that butterfly faster. And it's amazing how it works. So if you're on the fence, get one of those. Get one. What was that? A S drive, 9 drive? 9 drive right there. I got mine on Amazon. Kicks butt, man. They make them for all vehicles, not just the Jeep. They make them for all different Chrysler, Ford, GM, Toyota. They got them for pretty much everything. Check it out. Thanks for watching.